So I'm going in with my first color, and it is the shade Brick from the Cosmetics X Itsmyrayeraye palette. And this is more of just like a warm toned, yeah, like copper brown brick color. And I am going to lightly apply that in my crease area, so directly in my crease area. So that you guys can see that. It's so interesting when you have hooded eyes, like the things that you have to do to make sure that like your eyeshadow is actually like showing up past like that fold in your eyelid. So now I am taking the remainder of the color that's on my brush, and I am just lightly blending it upward towards my brow. I'm gonna just go ahead and clean that up a little bit with just like a blender brush. Okay, and then for my next color, I'm going into my Ooh La La palette, and this is in the shade Trove. So it's this sort of like raspberry burgundy color, and honestly, these are both shades that you can use from any palette that you have, just something similar. And then I'm just going back in with that first shade Brick. So just building on top of that raspberry color. Okay, so now that I have that built up a little bit, I'm gonna go in and just do the other side. So I am now going to apply some more concealer to my eyelid area here, just to better carve out that cut crease. And then on top of my concealer, I am going to go in with just like a light beige shade. So I'm going to take this color here in my Morphe 35V palette and just pack that on. And then right over where my sort of crease meets my cut crease, I'm going to go in with just a little bit of this like dark plum color here, just to darken that line. So I'm going in with my purple shade from that Ooh La La palette, so the shade Trove, and just blending that here. Next, I went back in with that color Brick, and I am just blending that right in front of that sort of raspberry burgundy color, as well as that dark plum color. I'm using that just to increase my contrast towards the very end of my eyeshadow look. I did also take a fluffy blending brush just to bring that brick color a little bit closer to the middle of my eyelid, but to keep a very soft, natural gradation. And then for my lashes, I am using these beautiful sort of like cat eyelashes from Bahama Lashes, and these are in the style Bahama Mama, but I wanted to use lashes that are, as you can see, shorter in the front and become thicker and longer towards the tail end of the lash, just because again we're trying to do a lot of sweeping up with our hooded eyes. So I feel like this will be a perfect complement to really creating that drama along the ends of the eyes, but keeping the tear duct area and like the middle of the eyelid very clean and clear and visible, so that it's not too heavy of a look overall. I did also take that same beige shade we used for the eyelid and applied it as an underbrow highlight. I did go in with a little bit of that C12 concealer from Makeup Revolution just underneath my eyes, just to help brighten a little bit more. And to finish my lower lid, I am going back in first with that dark burgundy shade. So that is towards the outer edge of my eyelid, and then end with that raspberry shade, and then finishing off with that light beige shade and my tear duct. I am also going to brush off any remaining powder on my face. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Morphe setting mist. Like, I am so happy with how this look came out. Like, it's just the right amount of drama, I feel like, for you know, someone with hooded eyes, because you have like that really nice sort of like white inner tear duct detail that's happening just to brighten the eyes. And then you have a really nice sort of like subtle smokiness that's happening with the darker purple shades. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed it. I really hope that this inspires you guys to do, you know, more detailed looks for hooded eyes. I know it can be a little tricky since we're working with very limited eye lid space, but it is definitely worth it in the end. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, as always, leave them down in the comment section below for me, and I will see you beauties in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.